Job seekers, it's me, Jeremy Nichols with Gecko Hospitality, and I want to talk to you about landing a hybrid or remote role. A lot of you out there may feel like you're getting stuck finding this position, especially if you do not have any hybrid or remote experience. Don't worry, I got you covered. Here are 4 powerful tips that I think will help you land that hybrid or remote role. Number 1, if you do not have any hybrid or remote experience, you're going to have to address it head on. Some companies are pretty hesitant to bring on somebody without any remote or hybrid experience. It is, for the lack of a better word, trust. It's a trust factor. If you haven't done a remote or hybrid role, some companies don't know if they can trust that you can handle it. To overcome this, let's proactively discuss your ability to work independently, your strong work ethic, and your commitment to maintaining open lines of communication. Provide examples of this, of projects you've done independently with minimal supervision. Number 2, be open to negotiating your salary. When transitioning into a remote or hybrid role, there's a chance that you might have to negotiate your salary. If you don't come with remote or hybrid experience, sometimes these roles, they don't pay as much as in-office jobs. Express your willingness to prove yourself in that position. And before you sign that job offer letter, make sure you discuss a performance-based raise in a certain time period. Get that in writing and sign it. This shows your confidence in your abilities and your commitment to that company's success. Number 3, and very important, showcase your remote work setup. In your application or your interview, discuss your dedicated workspace, any kind of apps or software that are commonly used in hybrid or remote work, and also a reliable internet connection. This shows that you're prepared and ready to hit the ground running. And number 4, ace that virtual interview. Treat it like an in-person interview. Arrive early to the interview. Test your tech. Even if that company schedules you for 10 o'clock, make sure you're there 10 minutes early. I would even try the link an hour early, just making sure your microphone, your camera is set up, everything is running smoothly, you have good headspace, there's not light shining in your eyes, and it just looks professional, clean, and nice. Make sure that you dress for that interview. You dress professionally, and also make sure that there's no distractions around. Small children, dogs, cats, in-laws, whatever you have that might be distracting you from that interview, get it out of the picture and out of the way. Remember, landing that hybrid or remote role takes persistence and a tailored approach. With that said, I'm Jeremy Nichols with Gecko Hospitality. I hire for the hospitality industry in the state of Florida. If there's anybody watching right now that needs talent, you know who to call. You can email me at jeremy@geckohospitality.com. You can send me a direct message on LinkedIn. You can also comment anytime in this YouTube channel. And if you like the content that I'm creating, please subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate it. Looking forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.